I they bring you.
What you
Girl, my tell about them situation.
What you say?
Do not-
What you say about Tutu?
me not say nothing. When I reach, you can't bother. I'ma call him and text him.
The Tutu now better come.
Should I bring Unique instead, she say?
Cause Tutu head dry and picky.
You need, the girl move. You need to stop. When I move, I never asked them something, Shantau.
Exactly.
You want to carry Tutu with you?
No, Tutu now come. Tutu head don't do.
Or you can't catch up?
Tutu head want ear wash.
Then me they bring Unique instead.
I can't stand with you now. Your mouth.
Yeah.
Just so. Your mouth, boss.
Friend, no, our
Too much detail.
deal with our friend.
Your mouth. Your mouth. Your mouth.
Call me.
Your mouth.
Other people.
Alright.
Your mouth.
Shantau.
You carry Kayla.
Yeah, this Shantau's.
Your mouth.
Our killer, he said, Jesus.
Girl.
Mommy, how many more clothes on there?
Mouth bust guano.
Me not have no phone. I don't have any phone. Let me like that.
No, we are going to do Jubilee. No, we get her from, you know? I really her pitney. No, sir.
Yeah, I do not care. Make you see no because her mouth.
Me and shit, I'm Mr. Shantau, I'm sitting in it.
Yeah, man, mouth. You can't do that. Make you see. Mouth really boss. She don't hold long nothing. She just a chat so no sir. Everything in that detail.
Yeah, behave like you give me something to put down.
All that.
Triple.
Want to fear mother?
Exactly, because she behave like a me or mother. Chad, first, I beg you something, Chad. Because me I do it means say I'm obligated. Chad, first give triple. Max, sorry, she want for her birthday, so she want braces. So I go pay for she get her braces done.
What?
So she want braces.
What should I do with braces?
You want that? Because you want people to ask your mother. No one I know.
She's claimed to say her teeth them buff and she want braces, so may I pay for get her braces done.
Yes, you need it for true. Her teeth need to be straight.
See, look.
She need it for true.
Don't you want braces too?
When me in high school.
You know, say you make sure stay so.
When me
What's
in
your teeth problem?
One
No.
braces now, 2 kilo one braces.
Who do you want braces in the high school? Tell me the one braces something unique on braces. No. Because I'm going to wear my mother long time before unique. Yeah, before she put in it. Before
You want braces, and I good girl move. You don't know your book.
Me or Kelly?
See me attack.
Me? I mean, no matter what you know. Because it's alright.
Janta.
My big 5 rolls.
Janta.
Yes.
If you get paid 100 for your exam or buy your iPhone 18 will come out this year.
iPhone 18 will come out this year?
Yeah, September.
If me get be 100.
Be 100. Be 100 you have to work for me buy your iPhone 17, no caps.
For my exam?
Yeah.
Or pep?
Everything.
No,
Everything.
better yet, if you pass, so which school you want her to pass for?
And next year that.
Oh, yeah, for
my
sure.
father said
Chat 4 rows.
My father said,
Hey.
my father said, no, I'm going to all girls school.
Hey, me know I hear about that.
I'm going to hear probably that.
Chat 4 person.
Track, we look 19K for that one. Barbara, come back yet?
What you need that for?
You say?
The Barbara, come back yet?
No, you know see. Barbara not come back yet, Shantau. No.
I wash your room.
Mm-hmm.
Chat focus, I was still away from bar. Chanta,
You don't know why you do that, you know? Who do
your
you
stepfather can you present come down talk hour.
Eh?
Your stepfather.
And the same present that when him say I will give me one different.
The same one.
Mama, let's see something.
What?
Pip.
Hey! Move the man!
You know I should have asked for the iPhone 16.
You're too alright, you know your mouth, you're gonna leave for me, son. Have a nice day. And you don't appreciate nothing, you know, you're very ungrateful, you.
Instead of ask for that.
Aye, but you go on, no, girl.
Shantau, you want somebody to slap in your head back. Boy.
Yeah.
No, him
But
say.
sir, never mean in your position.
Him say.
Boy, it's
Hey, leave! No, but you go on.
leave. Stay over this, sir. Now you're no, no, right, sir.
Go be a come and be a take long to get ready.
Beard already. I'm a yard because I eat my beard after time. I mean, it's a beard. Look at this shit.
Allow me to pass some lifters down and see me.
Chanta.
Mother talk to you, girl.
Yes.
Go and go ask me so where I go. Go and go find something to go on.
But no, we are already.
Text me, go find something to move. I see your mouth, look a bit and me say, me don't know, you know. Me don't know, you know, but me I tell you, say, you see your mouth? You see your mouth? You see your mouth? You see your mouth?
I also want to make it.
What's up?
Mommy, believe one of my bread and like
Hey. Shantau, hurry up and do what you do. Barbara, that? Lover.
People chat.
Again,
Chat triple. What's up?
Mouth as a muscleizer. Chat, we are look. 18K for one. We now want 18 Galaxy.